Now we'll use the command line to launch the notebook so it is running locally on our computers. Opening the Jupyter Notebook through the command line is the most common approach to launching the Jupyter Notebook application. Fair warning, this part of the process can sometimes be a challenge depending on your operating system and your comfort with the command line. If this is your first time using the command line, that's exciting! Keep on developing your command line skills. If you get stuck, try Googling your issue. There's probably another person out there who has solved the problem you're facing. If, for whatever reason, you would like to avoid the command line today, there are other methods for opening a Jupyter Notebook, and we'll review those in subsequent videos. Once you've installed Jupyter, open up your terminal if you're using a Mac, or your command prompt if you're using Windows, and navigate to the directory you plan to work out of using the cd command, change directory. Once you're there, type Jupyter Notebook into the prompt in lowercase and as two separate words. Mac users can use Spotlight Search to open the terminal or click on the terminal icon in the application dock. Windows users click on the application icon in the application dock or in the start menu. Once you've typed Jupyter Notebook, a browser window should pop up that displays the Jupyter file browser. This page is sometimes called a Jupyter dashboard or directory tree and displays your file system from whichever folder you opened your notebook. From here, you can open existing notebooks or navigate to a folder where you'd like to create and store a new notebook. Remember, Jupyter is running locally on your computer and not on the internet. The folders and files you see here are your local files on your computer. If you see the Jupyter file browser, congratulations! Your Jupyter installation is ready to go. If you plan to run Jupyter from your computer today, we'll pick up again on this screen when we navigate the Jupyter Notebook environment. I'm sure there are a number of platforms and operating systems in use today. I'll be working from a Mac and will provide as many Windows commands as I can where I know they are different. For example, sometimes users who install Anaconda on Windows may need to type and run install Jupyter in the command prompt before typing Jupyter Notebook. Typing Jupyter Notebook should just work on a Mac. And then when we begin working with files, Mac file paths use forward slashes, but Windows uses backslashes.